G'day, g'day! Here we are at WCMRC with my new track toy. It's the TAMIYA. The TAMIYA FormulaE GEN2 TC-01 chassis. Picked it up second hand from a dude. Thank you very much, mate, if you're watching. Brought it down the track to give it a run. So, he had it set up with the drag brake in reverse. Since I brought it home after this night, I've turned those things off. So, but when I was running it here, it kept slowing down and it got off the throttle at all. So, but very quick, quicker than I'm used to around here. Definitely not an expert driver. So there was a little shot just around the floor, and then I stuck my camera on the old TAMIYA TT-01 truck and followed him around. So it was probably a bit quicker, but it's my first try with the car, you know, so it was going pretty easy and I didn't want to hit him. So yeah, it's just a short little video. This is all I've got, just a little preview of it, little picture of it, and then running around the track chasing the truck for a bit, which is pretty sweet. Got another couple of little one video, some highlights from the track this week I'll put up soon as well. But yeah, I'll leave you here with that. Thanks heaps for watching. And here it is, the TAMIYA 58681 1/10 TC-01 FormulaE GEN2 car with the Championship Livery. Have a great day. Honestly, I should mention that it's got a brushless setup in it, Tekin R1 ESC, and the brushless motor, we're a bit unsure what it is, but it's pretty quick. So I'm considering maybe getting a 21.5 turn brushless to chuck in there, slow it down a bit, but 13.5, maybe that's what's in there. Anyway, still a little bit of tinkering and figuring it out, but definitely pretty happy with the new track toy, FormulaE.